Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Today we're making this gorgeous A-line midi skirt. Begin by folding your fabric in half and half again. Use an existing skirt as a pattern. Mark your length. Both the skirt and material I used are stretchy. Carefully cut around the skirt, leaving a 1-inch seam allowance. You now have your two front and back skirt pattern pieces. Now for the waistband, fold your fabric in half to the thickness of your elastic band plus ½ inch for the seam allowance. Cut to your waist measurement. Now measure and cut an elastic band to your waist measurement. Stitch the sides of the skirt. On one side of the waist, open up the stitching by about 1½ inches. Now place your waistband on the skirt right sides together. Start from the side where you unstitched the seam. Pin the waistband around the skirt. Stitch the waistband in place using a zigzag stitch. Insert your elastic band using a safety pin. Trim away any excess waistband material. Carefully pull the elastic band through. Pin together at the sides and stitch back in position. Trim to neaten the edges. Hem the bottom to complete the skirt. Here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.